e-learning revolution has begun in Zamboanga City.
Good day, everyone! I am Teacher Maricruz. Are you excited to have fun and learn math today? Let us know first the objectives of this lesson. First, second, and the third one. Let's watch and learn. Measurements of time. What is time? Time is the indefinite continued progress of existence and events that occur in an apparently irreversible succession from the past through the present into the future. Oh, what device is used to measure time? In ancient times, people were not concerned about time. The rising and the setting of the sun was sufficient for them. But as men began to move about, they began telling time by observing the sun and the stars. By working together, they had invented their first device, which is called the sundial. Then the hourglass. Gradually, they had the mechanical clocks and the grandfather clock with its pendulum. Now, we have more and more sensitive and elaborate time devices. Time is measured by the rotation of the Earth and its revolution around the sun. One rotation of the Earth is approximately 24 hours, and one revolution is about 365 and 1/4 days. We cannot have a 1/4 day, so we make a necessary adjustment by having 366 days every 4 years. We call it the leap year. Do you know how to read time? Then what are the common units that you are using? Here are the units of time and their equivalent. 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. 24 hours is equivalent to 1 day. 7 days is equivalent to 1 week. 30 days is equivalent to 1 month. 12 months is equivalent to 1 year. 365 days is also equivalent to 1 year. 366 days is equivalent to 1 leap year. 10 years is equivalent to 1 decade. 100 years is equivalent to 1 century. And 1,000 years is equivalent to 1 millennium. Okay, let's try to answer some word problems involving measurements of time. Armand cooked a dish for 1 hour and 15 minutes. He starts cooking at exactly 8:25 p.m. At what time will he finish? Do you know the answer? That's correct! The answer is 9:40 p.m. Just simply add the 1 hour and 15 minutes into the starting time, which is 8:25. Second question. Grandma knit a scarf for me in 2 weeks. How many days did it take her? Can you tell the answer? That's right! It took 14 days. Since we know that there are 7 days in 1 week, we can write 7 days over 1 week times 2 weeks, then cancel out the weeks unit. Next, divide 7 by 1 and multiply it by 2. Then, copy the days unit, and so the answer is 14 days. Well, do we have the same solution? If that is so, then let's solve the last example. If Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, then how many minutes will it take for Earth to complete 3 rotations? Do you have any idea? You get it again! The correct answer is 4,320 minutes. Since the equivalent of 1 hour is 60 minutes, we can write and solve 24 hours times 60 minutes over 1 hour, then cancel out the hour unit to have a complete 1 rotation, which is 1,440 minutes. Then, multiply the 1,440 minutes into 3 to have a 3 complete rotations in minute. Therefore, it will take 4,320 minutes to complete the 3 rotations. Did you understand the lesson? Then try to evaluate your understanding. Get any sheet of paper and answer the following problems. Start to answer now. Are you done? If that is so, then try to check your answer. Here are the answers to the given problems. Did you get all the correct answers? If you did, congratulations! If you did not, solve again. Remember that time is the most precious thing in our life. How we spend our time defines on who we are, so we should always use our time wisely. And don't forget that mas alegre na eskwela. Thanks for watching!
Class 15